Welcome to the Stir Fry Action channel. Look for our action and gaming videos. Please subscribe down below. Don't forget to slap the bell and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for subscribing and enjoy the video.
We're doing like a stir fry. Dun dun.
Guys, today we're playing Mario Party.
Oh, yep, we're doing the same game as last time because it didn't work out so well last time.
But I don't know if you guys saw the video because I'm not sure if it's posted quite yet.
It is. It's not the first time as a team, guys, because we already know.
I don't remember because I haven't played it in so long.
It's the same. It's the dice and stuff.
I don't remember though.
Yeah, it's getting higher than the 4. Let's go! We'll use the start. Oh, we're starting. Well, let's see. We're giving their coins though to start. Nobody's any coins, I don't think.
They give me 3.
3, because we have to find more. Star costs 10 coins. Okay. Okay, guys. Costs 10 coins.
If you guys ever watched it, then please watch our other one if it's out yet. If it's not, then you can't watch it. See, because you guys think one.
They're getting us 3 coins. Thumbs up from us.
Comment below who do you think is gonna win. Please do not fast forward to the end, because then you already know who won.
Yeah, that's not
Comment your first time. Okay? Don't comment the second time you watch it, because then
good. No, it's not as much fun.
No, that's 3 minus coins. We can't minus all of our coins. That'd be terrible.
I'm sorry, I have to do a couple quick things real quick.
Should I see first?
Oh yeah, quick.
You go first.
Yeah, I got 4. I get to be 9. I tell it's pretty good for us to start off.
You're 11. I'm
Okay,
10.
we can pick up some coins.
Okay, you're going to start. I'll pick up a little coin.
That sounds good because
I'm going to give Doug a
nobody ever get to start right now. We can't, I don't think.
I want to try to get a good space.
We'll go to the right then. Try going the other way.
I can't get it.
Alright. I guess let's land in any spots. Well, remember you can get double stars. If we win a mini game, we can get double stars. And when you get more than me, so you can move the Whomp to make the other people pay.
I am.
So that's good news for us. Like that's good for us because we didn't have to pay some coins and they won't put it in.
You have to pay 5 coins. They don't have 5 coins.
Well, nobody does right now.
Unless they get the coins there.
Yeah, so they just walked out right now. So that was a good move. Because now they're stuck. And we're in.
They got 10.
Yeah, they don't have coins.
They're paying. They're gonna jump on us.
Now they have 5 coins.
Man, they can pay.
No, Luigi moved the Whomp. But it's too late though. Because Luigi was person number 2, so it's too late. Here's one that we like, please. Alright, perfect, I guess it is. Okay, we're okay at this one.
You know what I did, right?
Yeah, I know what you did.
Should I tell the viewers?
Nope.
Okay.
But I know what you did. You can say excuse me though.
Excuse me.
Let's go, we got 1.
We're really good at this game.
We're okay, we're not bad at this one. We're pretty good.
They're still on their first one.
Yeah, one episode. One episode, guys.
I think I'm the bottom one and you're top.
You're bottom. Alright, let's see if we can match it up. Let's do it. Okay. It's not it. I thought this is magical, but it's not. Oh, let's go!
They didn't even get
3-0, guys. We are all the winners, and we can afford to start now because we're 10 coins, so we're good. Push it. Right there. It's too late.
You got mad.
I mean,
Oopsie, guys. I'm trying to pick my nose, okay?
we're in the lead now.
Guys, I was trying to pick my nose. It's itchy.
Okay, so turn number 2, everybody. Peach is entering the game. Yeah, Peach is entering the game. Yeah, but I don't know if I can get the star though. Not yet.
I'll pick up coins and get Peach if I have enough.
Yeah, but if you're the only one who gets the star, then you have to get the star. Then I'll get the other stuff. Then depending on long too. Or if you both get the star, that'd be even better. For star. Only you can get the star. I said only you. Yeah, you can get it. Oh, I can't. I picked up that one. I picked up Peach.
And then I'll pick up Goomba, hopefully.
Well, you might. I don't know. We can get Goomba on the way out if you need.
Yeah, but I might not get Goomba.
I don't know. I picked up one extra coin for us too.
I picked up too.
Alright. I 10 for 1 star, yeah.
I don't want to pass.
Of course we're not going to pass. Of course you can't pass up a good opportunity.
If they had 0 stars to be at like 15, I would probably do that. But
Oh, you're not fast. We're going to get some coins, stats.
yeah.
If we didn't.
We don't get coins.
But it's okay. They have more coins than us, but we have 1 star. That's all that matters. Stars are more important than coins.
See guys, I'm sorry, I just hit my controller.
You do Joy-Con last, I have it.
My controller! I call them controllers.
Joy-Cons.
I call them controllers.
It doesn't matter.
You guys, you can go with this. Please do not do that though, because that could hurt.
Oh my gosh.
What are you doing?
I'm not feeling good.
No, what is that? Oh, it's I don't smell anything.
Hopefully.
It doesn't smell bad.
Okay, good. Alright, mini game, everybody.
Oh.
That's good. That's the going off.
Did they get the person? Did they get the person? The Goomba?
Oh yeah, you're on the top.
Yes. Okay, guys, we're ready. We ready.
You can show the top. I like the bottom better. I don't know why I used to.
I love the top. It's because I get all of them in my basket. Oop. No, I want him to get the bombs.
Yeah, I know. So don't get the bombs.
I'm trying not to.
I'm getting a lot of them. Too. But that's easy. It's not bad though.
Are we winning?
Oh, yeah, we're winning right now, but okay,
No.
good.
Sorry.
The bomb's okay. I'm still getting stuff. Alright, guys, we basically destroyed the game. We have 98. 77, everybody.
I wish we got 100.
That was pretty close.
Yeah. I'm sorry, but you're a little fat. That guy's a little fat.
Yeah,
Well, not you in general. Yeah, you're pretty skinny.
I mean, my character in the game.
Yeah, you're actually pretty slim and skinny.
We are at 15 coins now, and we're back in the lead.
Let's
go!
Mario needs to work out. Mario eats a little too much sugar. He's a
I
little
think
fat.
so. I know. Cameron's
Yes,
coming
I
in.
can get Goomba. I'll get Goomba.
But Cameron's coming in though.
I can get Goomba.
Boom! Guys, you can see that? Bad luck faces are now in the
I
game.
can get Goomba.
They hit the bad luck
I like
faces.
a big Goomba.
We'll find out. We'll learn on
I
I
don't
guess.
want though, but
I know what bad luck faces are, guys. Comment below if you guys know what they are.
if you guys haven't watched Mario or ever played it, then
It sounds like so fast, you know. This will check. I know it's out there.
check out our playlist as well.
It's just new on the regular. It's not on any playlist because it's together. It's not on Moon's videos.
Yes, I can still pick them up.
Oh yeah,
You still got a good space.
I have to go up there. I need to get to start.
Oh, I didn't know where the star was.
Oh, let's go. I didn't get any yet. Oh, you think Goomba? Okay.
It's because you can outline my dad. 2+ coins on Goomba.
Maybe we can get some more. Our Team Daisy's up next.
Team Daisy!
We cannot allow him to get any stars. We gotta try to get this.
Also, real quick, give this video a big thumbs up. We're gonna see if you guys can subscribe to this channel.
No!
Can you guys subscribe to this channel in 10 seconds? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Done. if you guys commented and subscribed, give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for doing that in 10 seconds.
Now
Comment below if you did it. Comment below I did it. So we can know.
Now they're
Rumble fishing. What's rumble fishing? I never played
This is supposed to get the biggest fish.
I don't like this gun.
Yeah, I don't like one either.
Why don't you do practice?
Because I already know this kind of.
I do.
Trying to find a big bubble. Cause that's not very big. I feel a big rumble.
I feel a big rumble.
Nobody didn't get anything.
Mine's biting. Didn't get anything. This is.
Oh, it's good.
I like. No this guy.
I don't have anything either.
I said no this guy.
So far. And I know there are fishes out here. We haven't had anything. But right now, it looks like everybody's gonna lose. I can't find anything.
But he got one. They got them. I got one.
I didn't get anything.
That's okay, but we lost.
How do you know? How do you know we didn't win?
I had.
Let's go! I got nothing. Alright, let's go get some more coins.
Hey, but Team Mario.
The Team Mario. That's our team.
That's our team, and it's such a name.
Yeah, so. Alright, we got 8 coins everybody, so we are very happy. And now we have 23 coins. They're close to the start of the
Somebody
night.
play for me. I have an itch in my, somewhere around.
I go to the bathroom and I'll.
I'm gonna go now. Try to play for me.
That's hard for me to do though. Please be fast. I can't control 2 controls, but I'm not like. Shoot. I got 2 of them over there. So I got 2. I got 6 and 5. Okay. Let's stop there. How about you? What kind of. Where on earth did you end up? I can't play minigames like that yet. Every time. Alright, we got nowhere. Oh, I think we had to give it a star, I think. Okay. No, why? Okay, we're losing basically now. They're getting a star now.
Cause I'm like, I heard you scream out, like, oh my gosh, they're getting a star.
I take your controller.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Oh, that hurts, guy. That really hurts.
It's not good.
That's bad. We need to get another
I got a Nintendo Switch Lite for Christmas.
Comment down below if you guys know how that man recorded from that.
What?
Because they say harder than that, but there might be a way you could record from the Switch. If you light, you can put your camera up and you prop it up against something.
Why would I film that? I don't know. We'll see.
Now then, next star hopefully is it's closer to them.
That's because where am I?
Well, if we can go backwards, I don't know.
Where
We can't go backwards. We're way far.
Where am I? I don't know where I'm at.
I know where you are.
I wasn't paying attention because I was downstairs because something was irritating me. Oh no. We have more people though. Wait, they got Mario now?
Yeah.
Oh man. Get up. King, you guys gotta work. We don't have to that much.
Oh yeah, we're losing right now.
King, you gotta go.
We'll catch it up. We're back in the lead again.
King, you gotta go.
I am trying. We did not beat the record though.
They're winning.
Well, we're getting flags.
Yeah, because you weren't pushing enough.
We're stuck.
They're gonna win.
We made it flag.
King, you gotta push harder.
I'll push you really hard. Oh shoot, not. I'm back in.
Shoot.
The fish knocked, but
We won.
we're in first. Alright.
This is such a close game. I thought we were losing.
I know. Oh!
Mario. Can you get hungry for lunch?
Nope.
I am.
Alright.
Let me check the time on my iPad. It's 11:45.
Alright.
What turn are we? 8, 9,
Turn. We'll probably, this is our last turn, guys, anyway, then we'll stop.
Wait, it is?
No, it's not. We'll stop about halfway because we'll get lunch.
Guys, if we end this video a little too short, that's okay for you. Is that okay for you guys? Because we can't, like, we're going to have to.
It's going to get too long.
It's going to get too long, and then we're going to have to trim it. And then
It's 15 minutes right
and
now.
we need to eat lunch, so I'm sorry.
Matching bonus. Oh, wait, we don't get matching bonus.
Wait, where am I? Oh, right here.
Oh, my God.
This is cool.
We can go backwards. You can go towards the star. You're only 13 this star. Everybody else is like really far. You're very lucky. Stop there.
I don't think I'm going to space.
You're getting good spaces. Most of them getting bad spaces so far. I watched them do their last turn and then we'll.
Sorry guys, I'm very TMI. Correct?
Alright. I do got 10s.
Can we do the last thing?
The last mini game.
Yeah.
Yeah, one more mini game, guys, and that's it.
Hopefully it's Massive Glory.
Hopefully some of
Guys, cross those fingers for Massive Glory. Cross them. If we don't get Massive Glory, then we'll show you guys in a different video. Massive Glory, I'm not gonna.
I think I love space because I think it's the one.
Well, it doesn't matter
I
because.
feel like you might get a start, but we're doing the last mini game right
Because
now.
this is gonna be our last mini game because we're gonna eat lunch, guys.
Yeah, and we'll see you guys in the
Comment
afternoon
below,
outside.
what's your favorite food of lunch? No, we didn't get Massive Glory. That's okay.
Yeah, but
We can only show you what pie heart is.
Yeah, we'll see you guys this afternoon though.
Hope on our mini obstacle course.
It's gonna be pretty big, guys.
It's gonna be through our whole yard.
The basement one was much, but it's not gonna be as good. And the basement one wasn't as good. It'd be inside.
They're winning, Can.
I tied back up.
There we go, we're winning.
There we go, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I didn't get a prize.
We're red and they're blue. And green.
We're very dirty right now, guys.
They're dirty. We're winning, Can.
We're not very comfortable.
Don't say that, we're winning, Can.
Oh, shoot. Alright, we won anyways.
We won by 6. We won by 6.
If you enjoyed the video,
please give this video a big thumbs up.
Yep, and we'll see you guys next time.
Subscribe, turn post notifications, and comment hi to be a dunker. And we'll see you guys. And shout out to
Brady. We see
Brady McFarland.
to
Brady McFarland and Mrs. Faribault, Mrs. DeSalvo, and McMurray School District. Shout out to McMurray as well. Thank you. We'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.